Catching alpacas requires a great deal of patience. Once you've captured your alpaca, you must treat them calmly and with confidence. If you don't, then they'll get scared. And when they get scared, they can hurt you and themselves.
This is great confidence building for Ewan, as he manages well not to fright a very timid animal. So Norma has spent quite a time settling this alpaca down so it'll accept the halter over its head. Julia quietly but firmly hangs on, and Norma, having stroked the animal to quieten it down, lifts up the hoof and cuts away the nail. If this animal were walking over stony ground each day, it wouldn't need its hooves to be clipped, but on this nice soft grassy area it needs clipping or there'd be real problems.
Bandit is our goat, and he is spoilt very much by all the participants on the small holding. He gets all the leftover vegetables, and he is everyone's favourite, although he can be a bit of a bully. He is everyone's favourite, although he can be a bit of a bully. Come on, wee ones.